When it comes to installing windows in your Houston home, the region's unique climate plays a crucial role in determining both the durability of your windows and the installation process. Houston's weather is known for its extreme shifts, from blistering summers to sudden storms and high humidity. Understanding how these factors can affect window performance will help you make informed decisions, ensuring your windows stay secure, energy efficient, and visually appealing for years to come. Houston's weather patterns. A challenge for windows. Houston's weather is characterized by its humidity, heat, and occasional severe weather events. Over the course of the year, the city experiences a hot, humid summer with temperatures often climbing above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, coupled with the possibility of hurricanes and tropical storms in late summer and fall. This combination of heat, moisture, and storms can cause significant strain on windows if they are not designed and installed to withstand these conditions. Humidity is one of the most significant environmental factors affecting windows in Houston. The high moisture levels in the air can lead to condensation, which may result in mold or mildew growth, particularly in poorly sealed windows. Over time, this can degrade the frame material, whether it's wood, vinyl, or metal, causing rot, rust, or warping. The accumulation of moisture inside windows also reduces visibility and may cause permanent fogging, which is particularly noticeable in double-paned windows. Extreme temperatures are another challenge. In the summer, the intense heat can cause window frames to expand, and in winter, the cooler temperatures can make them contract. If the installation was not performed with the necessary precautions or if the materials used were not suited for Houston's climate, this constant expansion and contraction could lead to gaps, leaks, or cracks in the window seals, reducing the window's insulation effectiveness. Additionally, Houston's hurricane season introduces the potential for severe storms with powerful winds, heavy rain, and flying debris. Windows not designed to handle these conditions can easily shatter or break under the force of high winds, leaving your home exposed to further damage. This risk underscores the importance of choosing windows that are both durable and resilient enough for such extreme events. Choosing the right windows for Houston's climate. Given the challenges posed by Houston's weather, selecting the right type of window is essential for durability and energy efficiency. Here are some key factors to consider when purchasing windows. Impact-resistant glass. For protection against hurricanes, it's wise to choose impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing a layer of protection that can help prevent breakage during severe storms. Impact-resistant glass can be more expensive, but it offers peace of mind, knowing your windows are reinforced against potential weather threats. Energy-efficient windows. Energy efficiency is crucial in Houston, where the summer heat can be relentless. Opting for double-paned or triple-paned windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings will help keep your home cooler by reducing heat transfer. These types of windows reflect the sun's rays, minimizing the heat that enters your home and, in turn, reducing the load on your air conditioning system. Moisture-resistant frames. While wooden frames are aesthetically pleasing, they tend to absorb moisture over time, leading to warping or rot. To combat this, vinyl and fiberglass frames are excellent alternatives in Houston's humid environment. These materials are impervious to moisture and less prone to the effects of high humidity, making them a long-lasting option for your home. Proper ventilation. Windows with proper ventilation features can help regulate indoor humidity levels. Houston's high humidity can lead to condensation, so it's important to choose windows that allow air to flow freely, helping to reduce moisture buildup in your home. Professional installation. The key to longevity. Even the best windows can fail prematurely if they aren't installed correctly. In Houston, professional installation is crucial for ensuring that your windows perform well under the region's tough climate. Expert installers understand how to seal and insulate windows properly to prevent drafts, leaks, and moisture infiltration. They also know how to account for the expansion and contraction of materials due to temperature fluctuations. Another consideration for installation in Houston is the need for hurricane preparedness. A professional installer will know how to secure impact-resistant windows to withstand high winds, and they will make sure that the windows are structurally sound and correctly anchored to the building. Conclusion. When it comes to window durability and installation, Houston's weather presents unique challenges that must be considered to ensure long-lasting performance. By selecting windows made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials and working with experienced professionals for installation, you can protect your home from the elements while improving energy efficiency and comfort. With the right choices, your windows will not only withstand Houston's extreme weather conditions but also enhance the beauty and value of your home for many years.